Jones here from Data Center Dynamics. I'm here with Dr. Takao Shiino from the Nomura Research Institute. Dr. Shiino,
Yes.
You've been working on a new standard, DPPE.
Yes.
Can you explain that a little bit for our audience?
Yeah. So DPPE stands for Data Center Performance per Energy, so which is metrics to measure the data center's overall energy efficiency. And DPPE consists of from 4 submetrics. One is ITEU, which is IT equipment usage. The second is ITEE, which is IT equipment's own energy efficiency, hardware. Third is the PUE, data center facility efficiency. And fourth is the GEC, which is the green energy use. So we believe that overall data center energy saving can be performed by 4 submetrics or by activities which corresponds to 4 submetrics.
So this is specifically at the moment for Japan. Do you see this being used global or throughout data centers around the world?
Yes.
Sorry?
Mm-hmm. Yes. We are talking with the US Green Grid, EPA, and Department of Energy, DOE, and also we are talking with EU Code of Conduct. So we are doing every 2 weeks teleconference talking about global harmonization of the metrics. And also, since this year, we've done a measurement guideline handbook, which is 60 pages of the guideline book to measure the DPPE. And Singapore is very interested in this measurement. So Singapore is trying to measure DPPE also. So not only in Japan, but also Singapore is now measuring DPPE. And we are also talking with US and EU about the trial measurement of DPPE.
You're talking to a lot of governments and a lot of bodies. What about actual companies out there? Have you had a lot of expressions of interest from the possible users or the people that will adopt these?
For EU and US, not yet. In Japan, Hitachi, Fujitsu, NEC, and also NTT Data and my company. So major data center providers are now doing the trial measurement of DPP already.
Do you believe then that it is possible to come up with a global metric, given geopolitical differences, as governments looking at different things, data centers dealing with different situations in different parts of the world? In some, we are talking that in some government, the greenness or carbon is in some government carbon is very matter, and in some government carbon does not matter, since the grid power is already by nuclear or hydro. So depending on the government situation, we may use 4 submetrics or the 3 submetrics. So with that combinations, we can all of the country in the world can apply DPPE or 3 of the submetrics.